What is up, realists? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Thank you all for coming along this adventure today. Took a risk. It's been raining a lot the past few days, but wanted to try to get to a creek as early as I could this week. And like I said, it rained a bunch yesterday, so this is what we're dealing with. We've got muddy waters. Not as muddy as I was thinking it would be, but it is up, it is moving. So hopefully we can find some fish. We're gonna be using the Creek Life lures today only. Just trying to see what we can find in this muddy creek water. So hold on tight. Let's go see if we can catch some fish. Figuring out how to traverse this is gonna be my first dilemma. Okie dokie, it's cold. I'm normally wearing waders, but I'm not today. Oh my goodness, that's chilly. I want to try to target this water right off of this water here. So we're gonna try to get over here. Take our first cast right there. Okay, no luck there on the first one. Oh, he had a bite there. I've just been hung on a rock though. Oh, nope, there's a bite. There's some creek chubs hanging out right here. Alright, we're gonna go back that way and see what we can find through the bridge. Nice little pool. We got a creek chub or something. Let's see. Oh, let's see what we can find. If we can find anything. There we go. We got our first fish. Finally. Threw it kind of over there. What do we get? That'll be a little rock bass. But we'll see. Been a minute. There we go. First Creek Life lure there. Little micro beaver. There we go. First fish of the day. Thank you, sir, for biting. Goodness. Didn't think I was going to catch anything today with this water like it is, but gives me some hope for the next little stretch here. Throwing that a little shallower is what I did with that one. There we go, fish number 2. What do we get? Like letting it kind of coast down through the current. Little bitty rock bass. Look at this guy. He's so cute. Little bitty rock bass there. Awesome. See you, little guy. Alright, 2 on this guy. Let's walk our way around the corner here. Alrighty. Up to the next little holes here. Should have us a rock wall coming up soon. But there's one little hole right here. It looks like chocolate. Whoa! Scared me. I'm gonna try to see if we can find anything here in the chocolate milk. And I went across the leg. There we go. Got something else. What we finally get? Oh, looks like something different this time. Alrighty. Long ear sunfish. Out here with creek license, the lures here that we're using today. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, show them off. Spider web right here. There he is. Awesome. Thank you, buddy. There we go. We caught him, but he didn't stay caught. Ivy got me here. I saw it flip over a couple times, so we're going to break it off. Alright, so we're going to switch it up now, since we got to anyways, kinda. So, see you in a minute. Been fresh, different style on. Alright, humidity is strong. But we got a hellgrammite on here, little creek life lure. Dark hellgrammite. We're going to stick with dark colors because this water being so dingy. The little micro beaver seemed to do okay. It was pretty dark. There we go. Got something on the hellgrammite. What do we get? Probably a rock bass. Oh yeah. Best rock bass of the day. Right, y'all? Sweet. Show them off. Look at there. Awesome. Sweet. The first one on the hellgrammite there. Alright, realists, we're going to turn it around halfway point here. Head back, see if we can't catch anything else on this hellgrammite. Now, we've caught a few out here in this muddy water so far, so we'll see if we can't catch a few more on the way back. So hold on tight. Let's go see if we can catch a few more fish. Love at least get a creek chub to make it 3 different species here. Wow, it flew out of the water. Aw, he ate my booty off. Alright, we gotta replace the hellgrammite. Something bit it. Alrighty. Rebugged back up. Let's see what's in here. Snag. Those are free. Really? Well, we're gonna be down a hellgrammite and a hook. Why, yeah. All right, well, retie back up. Try again. All right, so re-jig head. I went with a smaller jig head just because I'm not gonna be able to cast as well, but it'll just make it fall a little better. Better presentation. Maybe less snags. There we go. Got another one on the hellgrammite. Something halfway decent. What we get? Look, we got ourselves another rock bass. So rock bass and a long ear have been on the ticket today. There we go. Beautiful little rock bass. See you, buddy. I'd love to get a smallmouth or creek chub in here somewhere. There we go, got something. What do we get? Probably another rock bass. Seems to be the predominant species here today. Yes, yes, it is. Another little rock bass. There it is. They're all about the same size. There we go, there was some over there. What do we get? What do we get? Oh, can't tell yet. Another nice rock bass. Biggest one of the day now. The new biggest. Sweet. There we go. This guy's been caught a couple times in his life. Figured he would learn by now, but has not. Very, very cool. Awesome, buddy. See you, sir. There we go. What do we get? We finally get a creek chub or a shiner. Oh yeah, there we go. What do we get? Which one is it? Looks like we got a shiner. Sweet. Finally, our third species of the day. A little shiner here. Come on now. There he is. See you, buddy. Oh, these things are so slimy. There we go. Something else in that current there. Another rock bass. Oh yeah. Rock bass, rock bass. Look out there, see buddy? Okay. There we go. Got something took it down. What do we get? Oh, another rock bass. Rock bass are everywhere I've been here this week. There he is. See you, buddy. There we go. Kind of bit. Oh yes. Another long ear. Finally got something a little different again. Maybe 2 long ears on the day. Most of it's been rock bass all day long. One shiner. It's my second long ear. Awesome. Running out of hellgrammites. Well, looks like it's going to put me at my very last hellgrammite here. If you're interested in picking you up some, check out the link in the description below. Also, you can use that code popping up right now to save yourself some dollary dues on some Creek Life lures. Awesome little lures, local to Tennessee. So if you are a Tennessean, want to support local, definitely would recommend checking these little guys out, especially if you frequent the creeks. So we're gonna load this guy back up and see if we can't catch a couple more. Alright, I'd be a bad host if I didn't come by and let you guys check out these old rusted cars out here on the creek bank. It's one of the coolest things about coming down to this spot. These wild cars all kind of piled up. Everything back here. Got 1, 2, 3 there, 4 over there. It's so wild to see all these things back here. That's why we call it Apocalypse Creek. All right, realize that's going to wind it up for this adventure today using the Creek Life lures here in the Muddy Creek. Like I said, it's been raining off and on, big storms in the afternoons. It's summertime. That's the way it works here in Tennessee. So thank you guys for coming along. If you would, hit a like on this video if you like creek videos. And if you get a chance to and you want to keep coming along and come along with the adventures, hit that subscribe button, please, and help the channel grow. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. And hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.